Stephen Fenech from Tech Guide here, and check out what I've got. This is the Sonos Roam. This is a go anywhere rugged speaker. I think it's the missing piece of the puzzle for the Sonos portfolio of speakers. This can be used at home on your Wi-Fi network like a regular Sonos speaker, but then if you want to take it out, it'll connect to your mobile devices via Bluetooth. Here's a closer look at it. The speaker itself is 16.8 centimeters long, so here to here, and weighs just 0.43 kilograms. Now it's IP67 rated, which means it is rugged, it is waterproof, dustproof, and can go anywhere. The speaker has acoustic true play as well. So if you're standing it on its end or on its side, acoustic true play will work that out, work out its orientation, work out whether you're on Bluetooth or Wi-Fi, and analyze the content you're playing and optimize the audio. Speaking of audio, it does really live up to the Sonos name. So that trademark sound quality is there. Really crisp, clear sound, really nice level of bass as well. That comes courtesy of two Class H amplifiers and tweeters that are all packed in to this tiny chassis that still produces quite a big sound. So whether you're at home, at a campsite, at the beach, at the pool, this is really impressive in terms of sound quality. The speaker, here's something I worked out. Have a close look at the Sonos name. No matter how you turn it around, it still says Sonos. So what do they call that? A palindrome. So same either way. The reason I noticed that is because when I placed it down on its surface, I noticed the nodules on the bottom. I'm thinking, well, that's the only way you can do it. But then I had it this way, and the nodules were on top. I'm thinking, hang on, they've put the nodules on the wrong side of the speaker. But then I realized that the name, whether it's that way or that way, still says Sonos, which is pretty cool. But there's the base. It does charge here through USB-C, but one other way it can charge too is wirelessly. So if you've got a wireless charge mat, a Qi charging mat, you simply stand it up on its end and you can charge it wirelessly. So if you've got a Qi wireless charging mat that you perhaps use for your smartphone, it will also charge that way as well. You can, if you like, spend a little bit extra to get the custom charging plate that attaches magnetically to the bottom of the speaker. That will also work for you as well. The controls, check out the controls here on top. Play, volume controls as well. It does allow you to once say you've arrived home, you've been out, you've been listening to your music. There, if you press and hold the play pause button, you can do the sound swap. So it'll actually transfer the music playing that was on this speaker to another speaker in your house. The Sonos Roam, it's 279 Australian dollars. It's slightly more expensive than a similar sized Bluetooth speaker, but you got to remember, you're only getting a Bluetooth speaker with those other brands. This is also wireless as well. And if you're a Sonos customer, if you're in the Sonos family, in the Sonos ecosystem, then this is the speaker you're going to want to include in your system, whether it's at home, on Wi-Fi, or out and be streaming your content via Bluetooth. Really easy to pair it through the Sonos app, so you can connect it wirelessly to your network. I'll get out the Sonos app for you to look at here right now. So you can arrange, you can pair it to the app easily through here. I'm just not on the right Wi-Fi network there, but you can then pair it to your music services. You could even set up the type of voice assistant. You got the choice of having Alexa or Google Assistant as your choice of voice assistant, so you can control this with your voice as well. Sonos Roam, it goes on sale on April 20. It's 279 Australian dollars, but you are getting a lot of bang for your buck here. Despite it being a relatively small speaker, it still does produce a nice big sound that Sonos fans will really enjoy. If you want to read more about our review, check it out at techguide.com.au. Thanks for watching.